At the last IBC event, Blackmagic Design unveiled their first full-frame model, the Cinema Camera 6K. It is packed with features from its 24.6 megapixel sensor capable of shooting up to 6K to its optical low-pass filter and its compatibility with L-mount lenses. It stands out as the most portable camera for high-end, large-format cinematography. And in line with this, and in collaboration with Blackmagic Design, we are excited to invite you to meet us and get hands-on with the all-new Blackmagic Cinema Camera 6K, happening on October 24th and 25th from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Join us at MCX here in Dubai. Camera experts from Blackmagic Design and MediaCast as well will be available to demonstrate the capabilities of the Blackmagic Cinema Camera 6K and answer your questions. Experience this cutting-edge camera for its unparalleled technology, image quality, and portability. Secure a slot by registering now, and we look forward to seeing you at the Blackmagic Design Open House at the MCX in Dubai.